Organizing inventory can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll show you how to create barcodes for your business using a free app from the Shopify store. To get started, open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Retail Force Barcode. You can identify the app by its green barcode icon. Click Install. Shopify will prompt you to review the app permissions. These permissions allow the app to access your product catalog so it can generate barcodes and SKU. Review the permissions carefully, then click Install App to confirm. Within seconds, the installation will complete, and you'll be redirected to the Retail Force Barcodes and Labels dashboard inside your Shopify admin. To generate barcodes in Shopify, open Barcode and SKU under the Shopify Retail Force Barcodes and Labels app. Select the products you want to update, then click Generate Barcode to open the Barcode Settings panel. You can enable Auto-Generate Barcode for newly added products to automatically create barcodes for future products. Choose your preferred barcode format and pattern. For advanced customization, click Advanced Settings. You'll see multiple barcode format options. Select EAN13, which works well for most Shopify stores. Enable Prevent Barcode Duplicating to ensure every product receives a unique barcode. Next, choose the Auto Code Generating mechanism. Randomly generates barcode digits in random order. Sequentially creates barcode numbers in sequence. In the Auto Code field, enter a starting value. Then enter your company prefix, a unique number assigned to your business. The prefix should contain 6 to 12 digits. Customize the item reference digits pattern if needed, or leave it blank for automatic generation. On the right side, you'll see a summary of your selected products and variants. Now choose one of these options. Only create missing barcodes. Replace all existing barcodes. Click Save, then Generate Barcodes. A progress pop-up will confirm the process. Your Shopify product barcodes will now be generated based on your selected settings. Open Barcode and SKU from the sidebar. Select your products, then click Generate SKU. You can enable Auto-Generate SKU for newly added products to automatically assign SKUs to future products. Choose a SKU pattern, GUI, Basic GUI, Advanced Text-Based, Enable Prevent SKU, duplicating to ensure each SKU remains unique. Customize your SKU format by adding custom text, starting numbers, separators, product details, variant options. Choose an auto code generating mechanism. Randomly sequentially enable auto uppercase text if needed. Use the preview panel to review the SKU structure before generating. Then select Only Create Missing SKU, Replace All Existing SKU. Save your settings and click Generate SKU. A progress pop-up will confirm successful SKU creation. Start by going to Label Templates and clicking New Template. Choose your paper type by selecting a brand/model or entering dimensions manually. There are the most commonly used label types. For custom selection of label, click on Other Label Types. Choose your paper brand. You can choose any option. Select your paper model. NXT, move to Label Setup. Margins. Adjust the top, left, bottom, and right margins to control spacing, content direction, such as top to bottom, right to left to right, or bottom to top, depending on your label layout. Now move to Paper Setup. Paper margins. Fine-tune paper alignment and spacing by setting precise margin values. Next, language setup. Select the language for your label text if needed. Next, show attributes. Choose what details to show on your label, such as SKU, price, currency symbol, and product name. In the Layout Order section, you can drag and rearrange elements to control how they appear. In the Barcode/QR section, choose between barcode, QR code, text, or none, then adjust size, color, barcode data, content below barcode, and line spacing. Once done, save your template. You can then preview, duplicate, edit, or delete templates anytime from the Label Templates screen. That's it, a quick way to create and manage barcode labels in Shopify. There are 2 ways to print labels in Shopify. Method 1. Print labels from Product page. Go to Products in Shopify. Open a product, click More Actions, then select Print Label. Confirm to continue. This is the fastest method for printing a label for a single product. Method 2. Bulk print labels from the app. Open the Retail Force Barcodes and Labels app and click Print Labels. Choose your barcode format. Code 128 is commonly recommended. Next, select a label template. On the Product selection page, search or filter products. Then choose the items you want to print. Use the Bulk Change Product Quantity option to quickly manage quantities for multiple products. You can choose Match Stock Quantity, Custom Quantity. Enter your desired number in the input field. Then use Apply All or Apply to selected click print labels to continue. On the Printing Summary page, review everything, then click Print. Print settings for clean barcode labels. In Print Settings, choose Destination Pages Color, then adjust Paper Size Margins. Scale for clean and professional labels. Disable Headers and Footers. Background Graphics. Click Print. Your labels are now ready to print. You can also track all print jobs in Print History, where failed print jobs can be quickly reprinted. In Shopify, this app lets you generate barcodes, create SKU, design label templates, and print barcode labels in bulk. Simplify inventory management, product labeling, and barcode printing with an easy all-in-one Shopify barcode generator and print labels app.